Downloading character mods for Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 and dealing with XV2 mod files. These contain custom fighters' transformations and skills for the game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get those mods installed and working properly. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single, powerful XV2 file inspection tool. XV2 files are mod package files. For Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, the fighting RPG by Bandai Namco. They contain custom game modifications including new character models, movesets, skill definitions, costume replacements, and gameplay alterations, packaged for installation through the XV2 modding toolchain. XV2 files are mod package files. For Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, the fighting RPG by Bandai Namco. They contain custom game modifications including new character models, movesets, skill definitions, costume replacements, and gameplay alterations, packaged for installation through the XV2 modding toolchain. Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, engineered by Bandai Namco Entertainment, is the application of choice for XV2. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows offers no meaningful representation, so interpreting these files relies on game development tools. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the XV2 file and hit Open with Test Dragon Ball. Xenoverse 2 first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If you are still having trouble opening the XV2 file, do not worry. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, install XV2 Mod Installer. Download and set up the XV2 Mod Installer tool from the Xenoverse modding community. Point the installer to your Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 installation directory. The tool manages mod installations tracking, which files are modified, and allowing clean uninstallation of individual mods. Next, install the mod. Open the XV2 Mod Installer and use the Install button to browse to the XV2 mod file. The installer reads the package contents and installs modified assets to the correct game directories. Confirm the installation, and the mod appears in the installer's mod list for management and removal if needed. Finally, verify in-game. Launch Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 and navigate to the relevant sections such as character selection, skill equipping, or costume selection to verify the mod installed correctly. If the content does not appear, check the mod installer log for errors and ensure no conflicting mods are overwriting the same game files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.